So keep your notebook also on the top of the desk. We are going to start. Topic is jumping statements. Basically, jumping statements are the statements which transfers the flow of control, which transfers the execution of the program from one block to another block. Understood? Once again listen. Jumping statements are the statements which are used to transfer the control of execution from one block to another block. It may be in the forward direction or it may be in the backward direction also. Got it? It may be in the forward direction, that means after second statement, after second block to the third block or fourth block, and also in the backward direction, that means after executing second block to the first block. So it may be in any of the direction. Got it? But the main concept is they are used to transfer the control from one block to another block. Now, what are the different types of jumping statement? Note down, there are three kinds of jumping statement. Number one is break statement. Number two is continue statement. And number three is return statement. Got it? Number one is break statement, number two is continue statement, and number three is return statement. Student, remember one thing, that right now in your syllabus there is only two jumping statements which are in your syllabus. Okay, a return statement is not in your syllabus. Return statement is not the part of your syllabus. Okay, so we will not discuss this one. Only the break statement and the continue statement we will discuss. Got it? Now, write down the heading break statement. Listen carefully. The break statements transfers the controls out of the loop and it terminates the execution of loop body only. Remember the statement which I have told you. It terminates the execution of loop body only. Okay, and transfer the control out of the loop. Is that clear? If there is something after the loop, then that will be executed. But whatever is there inside the loop, that will not be executed when break statement occurs. This thing you have to keep in your mind. Sometimes the definition is to be asked that what is the break statement, then most of the student is right that break statement terminates the execution of program. No, break statement will not terminate the execution of the program, the whole program. It will terminate only the execution of loop body. Remember this thing. Okay, is that clear? Write down the definition. Break statements. Now see the example and the effect of break statement. What will happen when break occurs in a loop? Okay, suppose we have applied a loop for int I is equals to 1, I is less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. If I is equals to 5. Okay, there is a condition. If the value of I will be 5, then what happened? Break. Remember, if there is only one statement inside the block or inside the if statement, then we can skip the curly braces. So that we have put the break only, no need to put the curly braces. Okay, then system dot out dot println I. Remember, this system dot out dot println is the statement which is outside this if block. This is not the part of if block. Got it? But it is the part of loop. It is the part of loop, not the part of if block. Okay? Now let's see the execution of this loop. Int I is equals to 1. The initial value of I is 1. Is there any problem? 1 is less than 10. Condition true. Then 1 is equals to 5. No, false. So break will not execute. Got it? But system dot out dot println I. This will be executed. Then I will be printed. That is 1. Then after that there will be updation. I is 2. 2 is less than 10. Condition true. Then 2 is equal to 5. Condition false. And once again system dot out dot println 2 will be printed. Then 3 is less than 10. Condition true. 3 equals to 5. Condition false. System dot out dot println 3. Then I will be updated. 4 is less than 10. Condition true. 4 is equal to 5. Condition false. So once again break will not execute. Then system dot out dot println I. 4 will be printed. Then I is 5. 5 is less than 10. Condition true. This condition is true. And I equals to 5. This is also true. Then break. Now what I have told you the definition of break, that it will stop the execution of loop body. So this statement will not be executed due to this break and sends the control out of the loop. Then your control of the execution will transfer over here. Got it? So still this condition is true, but no value will be printed after 4. Understood? So this is the example of break statement. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Note down it.